Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames for the Sandbox. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. The first level we notice is our monthly swing high here. As always, color coordinate it to the time frame we're working in. We can also notice a swing low right here, acting as support. This price broke through, came down, hit, and reversed drastically. We also notice a key level right here. But we're going to hop into the weekly time frame so we can establish a level more clearly. So here on the weekly time frame, what do we see? Well, we can plot in a key level right here. And what do we notice? Multiple reactions acting as resistance and support, making this very key. It is also a very obvious level at a glance of the chart. So, looking at our most recent price action, we notice a key level right here. This price came up, hit, and reversed drastically. So, as price continues to come up, we expect to see a reaction here. Or, better said, we will plan for a reaction here, as price can break right through the level. So, we always want to wait for price action that confirms the key level. So, we also notice a key level right here. This price came down, and we see multiple reactions to the level. Now, we also see a key level right here. This price came up, hit, and reversed, and we see multiple reactions to the level, acting as support. As we see price break down, we see it act as resistance on this breakthrough and retest, and as price came back up, we see a reaction from the long wick here. Now, we also notice a weekly swing high, so we plot it on the chart. Now, looking at the chart here, these are all our key levels plotted. If you guys enjoyed the video and got any value from it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.